situation today and this season of this crusade. Father, let your mercy prevail out of imaginations of human understanding. In the name of Jesus. 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 Go ahead and ask the Lord, Father, after coming in your presence in this crusade season, I will not go back the same. I will not go back the same. In every situation and condition, that is my life. Father, come in your presence, I will not go back the same. Let your blessing locate me. In these 3 days of crusade, whatsoever you are in, I will not go back the same. I will not go back the same. That's about your sending. Let this